Alrighty guys, we're here at the Hilton here in downtown Columbus at Tower 402. Check out what we have here.
Thank you.
Schindler 5500. Go all the way down to 1.
I wonder if our key card worked here.
Floor 1.
Lower on 1.
Elevator is going up.
Carry your key card, boy.
Okay.
Nope. It's blinking yellow.
Floor 2.
It's almost going up. Going up?
Elevator is going up.
Going up?
I'm gonna jump out there.
Okay. Going up?
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go my card. I'm gonna have to scan my card to 10. I got 10 up here.
Oops, sorry. Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
That, you need to go backwards?
I don't know if that 10.
No, I'm good. I'm
Okay.
Is that 10?
No.
Okay, I got to scan my card.
Get no-
Scan right
okay,
down there.
scan, yeah.
Oh, this is
And then 10. There you go.
Okay, and then 10. You got 10?
Yeah, it's 10. You all right? Yeah.
Okay, thank you, darling. I don't ride these elevators like that.
They trying to, how would you say, keep the people who don't belong here out
Oh,
if they don't have a card.
okay, I see what you're saying. Okay. Wow.
So is it just up?
Floor 7.
Yeah, it's going up, and then this is come down. You can just always,
Down, you don't need a card. All right, you guys, take
Thank you,
care.
darling.
Elevator is going up.
Okay.
And what floor are you going to?
28, 27.
Well, she's going up. Yeah, he got it. Thank you, sir. You're doing a great job. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you so much. So when you come back down this push, whatever you're going. What floor do you want?
We on the other tower.
Oh, you're
on
on
the top floor.
Oh, okay.
Floor 10.
They put us over there, across the street.
Well, thank you, cousin.
Come on.
I love you. Thank you so much. Good night, sir. God bless you.
See ya.
All right. Thank you.
Floor 27.
Go ahead.
Okay, you got it?
I'm just going back down.
Okay, you gonna go right down? Okay.
Yeah.
Elevator is going down. Floor 4. Elevator
You're going down?
Yeah.
Go down.
All right, this is carpet too. We're going down.
Yeah.
Did y'all need 3 or
No,
just
ma'am.
2?
Two.
Floor 2.
The lady didn't see. My grandparents were best friends. And she was like,
Go ahead.
Elevator is going down.
you guys have a great
You
night.
too, thank you. You gonna be okay?
Yes, I got it. Since I could finally get my cat through here. These are cute, pretty nice. Hi. That was weird. obviously. Key carded. Hope we're going somewhere.
Floor 4.
Going down?
You located in
Let's go down 2.
Floor 2.
Notice how they have empty space for a 13th floor button. It's getting interesting.
Elevator is going up.
No problem. No problem. You see these call buttons here disabled because this one technically goes up to restaurant in 28. Let's see if we can call another one here. This one over here.
Going in?
Thank you, I got it. I'm in here.
It's all right. Take your time. It's okay.
Thank you.
All right.
God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
You got your key for it?
I'm going down to 1.
Oh, okay.
Look at all these buttons here.
Floor 1. Elevator is going up. Floor 2.
Going up.
Elevator is going up.
That's weird. Going up? You have to insert your key card or swipe your key card.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we try again. There we go.
Work that one? Yes.
Floor 21.
Have a nice night, man.
Thank you, too.
Elevator is going up. Floor 27.
It's all 5,500s I've been on.
Elevator is going down.
Very sad. Hi.
Elevator is going up.
Look at those buttons.
Floor 2. Elevator is going up.
I love those lanterns. Yeah, look at these elevators. There we go. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.